Last year was an amazing year for the Fighting Scots program. It was also an amazing year for me. As a Monmouth athlete, I've spent countless hours with Bob here in the training room. Any athlete understands we use the training room for ice, heat, any time before or after practices.
Our athletes train hard, and recovery is a huge part of that process. We probably have 100 to 150 athletes come through our door every day, and it's been super exciting to see our programs grow.
We're really fortunate to have such great facilities in the Huff, like Lenny and the newly updated Trotter Fitness Center. My teammates and I are literally in the training room every day throughout the season.
With help from our Fighting Scots Society, we want to update our athletic training facilities and our hydrotherapy space. With those improvements, we hope to get our athletes back out on the field sooner.
Now, as a coach, I want student athletes to excel. Monmouth has had great programs over the years, and I'm excited to be a part of this tradition.
Gifts from the Fighting Scots fans make such a difference. It's great to know that people are rallying behind you, whether it's from the stands at games or by supporting our programs and facilities. It all makes the student athlete experience so great.